Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can reblog on Tumblr. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tumblr app in your device, then find the post which you want to reblog, then tap on the reblog icon. After that, you can also add something, then tap on reblog. Then check if you have reblogged or not by going on your profile. So, this is how you can reblog on Tumblr. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.